Chairman for SARC ICT, Mr. Nazrul Islam, Head of Access to Information, distinguished guests, technology leaders, members from press and media, good afternoon. I'm really grateful to have this session on behalf of Bankers CTO Forum. Bankers CTO Forum is a newly organized forum from the banking industry, technology leaders of banking industry based on 3 areas. It's non-political, non-profitable and neutral organization of technology leaders, dedicated to foster a trusted, open and creative environment for successful implementation of digital Bangladesh in banking sector. All of you are quite aware that all the sectors are contributing for the digital Bangladesh, but banking sector, which is a very mission critical sector, we are doing a lot of things which are not focused. So the purpose of this forum is to bring all these things in front of the people, what we are doing from the banking industry for successful implementation of digital Bangladesh. Our objective is to transfer knowledge and experience among the banks to implement and deploy solutions that are critical to the banking industries. Explore topics of mutual interest like common framework for resolving regulatory issues. From the banking industry, we are always facing a lot of problems with the regulators. So another objective of this organization to resolve those issues so that we can go jointly. Engage meaningful dialogue on various technology issues, enable technology and business leaders to network, assist policymakers, regulators and stakeholders in different ways. Though it's a very new organization, our functions, we have taken very small functions right now, but later on we will progress with our functions. Network with all allied professionals and experts, innovative drivers and trends in the ICT sectors, and policy and regulatory issues. Technology development in banking sectors. From the banking side, we have done so many activities for successful implementation of digital Bangladesh. They are batch, BFTM, CIB online, mobile banking and internet payment gateway. All of you are quite aware that BAT has started its operation on October 2010 for quickest and successful implementation of Bangladesh Automatic Clearing House is one of the success of the banking industry. This has created a new arena for banking industry to grow more business. And after the inauguration in October 2010, we have gone to other divisions like Sylhet in January 2011, Chittagong February, Rajshahi April and Odisha May 2011. Another success of financial sectors is BFTM. Customers initiate transaction at quickest and also from their locations among banks. This will create another history in the banking, not only banking sector, in business sector, so that business and individuals can send money through banking channels to different customers, banks and many places. CIB Online, this is also another project of the banking industry, Bangladesh Bank. And for the long time, Bangladesh Bank is committing, now it has come into the part. It has gone live on 1/1/2011. And next is mobile banking. Bangladesh Bank has given circular to all the private commercial banks to start mobile banking. All the banks are working on that. Probably all of you are quite aware that one bank has gone online with mobile banking and other banks on the process. It will also create another history. There are many regulatory issues and many technical issues. From the BCPO forum, we will work together to bring this technology very quickly to the customers. And another project is internet payment gateway. Many banks are working on this project. Only one bank has successfully implemented it. More will go live very shortly. these are the few projects which banking industries has done for successful digital Bangladesh. Banking scenario in Bangladesh, we have 49 banks, out of which commercial banks are 29, commercial public bank are 5, commercial foreign bank 10, and specialized bank is 5. Out of which, in terms of automations, CBS, core banking software, out of 29 private commercial bank, 28 private commercial bank have their own CBS, 12 private banks have internet banking, 16 banks have SMS banking, 1 bank have mobile banking, and 18 banks have their own switching solutions. Out of which 5 public commercial banks, 1 public commercial bank have their own CBS, 1 bank have SMS solutions, and all the foreign banks, they have all the solutions. If we give you graphical presentation, you see all private banks, they are ahead of adopting technology in the banking sector. Our main concentration is to bring public banks into this network to make this journey very successful. Now I will discuss about some of the challenges faced so far. Challenges are why the banking industries are not going so fast like other sectors in adopting technology. We have many challenges. Challenges are implementation, operational challenges, security risk, reputational risk, and legal issues. Implementation risk, I will discuss very shortly about the few of the implementation risk, like project management experience, shortage of certified professionals, because these are all mission critical software applications. For implementing such a big robust solution, you need a lot of project management experienced people. Skill resource, having knowledge about international banking practices. Business process engineering, this is one of the major issues. You can buy any of the state-of-the-art software, but if you do not have the business process engineering skill and change management skill, actually it will be very difficult for any organization to implement that world-class solution. Bridging between business and IT, this is another challenge for IT people in any organization, because for successful implementation of any project, you need collaboration between IT and business. So normally this change management and business process engineering, these two important areas belongs to business, and IT, main role of IT is to bring them to all this process engineering way. Our operational challenges are proper support structure, knowledge transfer and learning curve, call center concept yet to be developed, though few of the banks are having their own call centers, but this is very limited. Unstructured communication infrastructure and concept of business continuity plan and disaster recovery. Major issue, I think, is the infrastructure. Most of the banks, they are facing always problem with that infrastructure problem. Every day, this is a common phenomenon in the Bangladesh. So this is the area that we have to look at. Security challenges. The lack of security professionals in the country, security compliance, application and communication security policies, physical security like standardization of data center and disaster recovery centers, and system integration and underlying security. System integration is a very big challenge, because I have already discussed that we have taken so many applications within very short time. So from 2009 to 2011, banking industries has gone for a very big challenges. We have adopted so many technologies, but integrating all these solutions into one network, one framework with core banking solutions is really very difficult and very challenging. So this system integration is a big challenge for banking industries now. The latest challenge is reputational challenges. Implementation failure and implementation delay. This is a common phenomenon in Bangladesh. Most of the banks are buying very state-of-the-art software, but They are always lagging behind the project deadline because of the problems what I have discussed earlier. Unavailability of offered services and lack of professionalism. Legal issues. Software purchase contract. This is very important. When normally organization buy a software, at that time the vendors commit so many things to the organizations, but later on when we go for implementation, then we found a lot of gap between the contract made earlier and the final stage delivery. SLA and AMC. No legal framework relating to e-commerce transaction. Implementation of copyright law. These are major challenges to my eyes. There are many other challenges also which I could not find it out over here. And I think all of you are very hungry now because we are lacking behind time. I will not take more time. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to speak something in front of you on behalf of Bankers CTO Forum. I will not do my justice if I don't disclose something about the background of this CTO Forum. Actually, Mr. Shafqat Haidar, who is the chairperson for CTO Forum, and along with Mr. Nazrul Islam, who is the head of Access to Information Project, we have traveled in many CTO forums. We have joined together in Sri Lanka and India various CTO forum, and from them we have decided that we will actually form a CTO forum in Bangladesh. We have tried to contact with different sectors, telco sector and other sectors, and to form this CTO forum, but we did not get that much of response from other sectors. So banking sector, which is a very critical sector, we have decided that if no one comes, then go alone. So banking sector, all IT heads of 49 banks, we sat down together and we have, this is the forum which has taken this journey in April 2011. If other CTOs from other organizations wants to join with our forum,